as long as the recession is concerned. Everybody are talking about the recession. Recession is nothing great because India is not apart. India is already a part of the global market. So what happens 2 years back in US and what happens 2 years back in US, definitely as a cycle, that fallback is definitely going to happen with our country also. Somewhere it is happening 6 months before, somewhere is happening 16 months after. But you are going to become part of that. Because when we are talking about the global business, that means we are talking about the business in this world of the economy. And the export and import data are not balancing, it is varies. As long as more import you are doing, you are shelling out more money because of the low rupee value. So automatically when you have to shell out more, what you are getting is less. So imbalance is going to be happen, and that imbalance is going to be in the loop, and that is how maybe today, maybe tomorrow, maybe after 6 months you are going to face with that kind of a recession. Second thing, please you understand very precisely. Now that recession time will not be so long which was earlier. Please understand when I am talking about as a global working pattern. Because earlier what happened? It was only a country related. Now it is a global related. So whatever may be the recession, it is never ever going to become for the longer period. It is going to become a calendar period. Today you are finding little bit slow down because you are in the loop. Automatically the loop get balanced, and automatically found yes, people are really purchasing and everything is going. Please get addicted with the recession. It is bound to be happen, it is going to be happen, and it is the side effect of the global economy. So as long as you are in the global business, as long as you want to do the global business, as long as you are dealing with the global economy, you cannot keep yourself or your country away from this global impact. It is going to be there. So whenever anybody can talk about the recession, you should not have a fear. Rather learn how we should be really cost conscious enough. We should learn where to spend, and we should learn where not to spend. If your company has a strong foundation, if your company has a strong image, if you establish very well brand, and if you have a wonderful working pattern, and your company is system oriented and not mood oriented, let it be any kind of a recession, nothing is going to happen. Nothing is going to happen. Nobody is going to touch you, provided you are really working with that system and with that strategy. So the recession should not be the problem. Recession is again now more of a mind game than it is a really game of the business. Are you with me? So get addicted with the recession. Never talk about the recession. It's a calendar. It is going to be happen. You think how you wanted to do business irrespective of any odd is there, and you can do the wonders. So let us not bog down yourself. पहले हम competition की बात करते थे, फिर हम price की बात करते थे, अभी ये नया disease चालू हो गया recession. It is bound to be there. It is going to be there because we are playing with a global village. It's a global market. Today 1 rupee, somewhere it is to 53 to 54 rupees. So definitely the whole economy, the whole financial activity is going to become imbalanced. When everything is going to be imbalanced, automatically you have to face that. But again, when it is in the loop and you have a wonderful business, everything is going to be right. Keep this in mind. About the recession, you have to learn how to overcome rather than to only thinking about the recession and making yourself weak.